Imagine you are set for a long road trip across the country and you are looking forward to relaxing your right foot on those long stretches of highway when suddenly you realize your cruise control is not doing anything at all. This is exactly what happens when your vehicle stores the diagnostic trouble code P0576, which basically tells you that the cruise control input circuit is experiencing a low voltage condition. This is a generic powertrain code, so you will see it on everything from a Chevrolet Silverado and a Ford F-150 to a Toyota Camry or even a Dodge Ram. Your engine control module is the brain of the car, and it spends every second making sure your engine is running right while balancing things like fuel economy and your own personal comfort. When it detects that the voltage in the cruise control circuit has dropped below the normal operating range, it will immediately disable the system as a safety precaution. The most obvious sign of this is that your cruise control simply will not turn on, and even the little light on your dashboard might stay dark no matter how many times you mash the button. You might also see the check engine light pop up after a few times of the computer noticing the error. The good news is that this is a very mild issue and your car will still drive perfectly fine at 65 miles per hour, but you will definitely miss that feature on those 300-mile stretches of road. However, keep in mind that any active code like this can make you fail a state emissions test in places like California or New York, so you want to get it cleared before your next inspection. The most common cause for this issue is a faulty cruise control switch, which is often located right on your steering wheel or on a stalk near the steering column. It is actually very common for someone to accidentally spill a soda or a cup of coffee right on those buttons, which causes a small short circuit inside. Other reasons could include frayed wiring, a blown fuse, or even a bad connector that has vibrated loose over time. To fix this, you should first look for any technical service bulletins for your specific truck or car, because there might be a known factory issue. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to check the electrical values at the switch and compare them to what your repair manual says they should be. If the switch is bad, you might have to remove part of the steering column or be careful around the airbags to replace it. If you are not comfortable working with electrical components or near the airbag system, you should definitely head to a professional mechanic to have it handled safely. Once you have made the repair, clear the code and take a quick drive to see if the light stays off and your cruise control is finally back to work.